Presenting the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. The phone has display of 421 ppi and 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display and 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution. The phone also has no signs of wear and FHD+ resolution. It has triple rear camera setup, main camera 12MP dual pixel plus ultra wide 12MP camera plus tele 13x 64MP camera. It has 10MP front dual pixel camera. It has 16M colors. It has 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, and dual standby, 5G plus 5G. It runs on Android Pie v10.0 operating system. It is powered by 2.9 GHz Exynos 2100 octa-core processor. It also features dual SIM and GPS, video player and music player. The delivery box contains handset and USB cable, user manual and eject pin.